Let's take a look today at this beautiful 2019 Eagle Coach Cadillac XTS Echelon. Definitely one of the top models that are available throughout the industry. As you'll see throughout this car, you do have the updated, or kind of the last style that they had in regard to that front fascia. So you have the updated grille and headlights, as well as the rear tail lights. So that will give you the latest look that that big body sedan had to offer. So beautiful car, already equipped with two-way purple strobes up in your front grille, as well as round fender strobes, which are great if you're coming around either a blind corner or a double parked car. You just kind of ease your way out, and those strobes off to the side will grab people's attention to hopefully stop and let you through or start your procession on its way. Off to the side, you'll also see flag mounts and staffs are already equipped as well. So a great way to personalize that car for the individual having the service for. With it being the Eagle Echelon, you'll notice the full painted top, which is one of the few models that will come standard with that option. So a very high-end appearance that this car will provide you, in addition to the B and C pillar stainless. So definitely one of the top cars that the industry has to offer, and an easy way to stick out from any local competition. Moving along the side here, we'll bring you into the church truck compartment. So you'll notice door opens up nice and wide. Want to point out to you that Eagle Coach on this 2019 used an all composite material in that conversion area. So your door number 2, as well as that conversion area and load door, never have to worry about any sort of rust or corrosion popping up on the exterior of that. So as you're seeing it today, it was how it'll look down the road for you. So moving into that open church truck, you can see nice cutout area, super easy to access if you want to lay that down or stand it upright for additional storage space underneath. And then you have a very nice stainless flower tray off to the side there. So with that being stainless, that's a great way to eliminate kind of that musky smell over time. That's very easy to clean out. So we'll keep everything looking clean and smelling new for you throughout your ownership. And now bringing you back a little bit further, we'll bring you over to the load door area into the rear of your casket compartment. So right off the bat, you'll see there's a ton of options in the back of this coach. You have a very nice built-in urn carrier, which when you're not using that is folded down and fits flush with the floor. So very easy to move right over the top of it, but easy to access when you do need to utilize that. Great way to get the car rolling a few more times per month and start offering your vehicle on some more services. Right here you also have your pull-out extended-sill, which you just push that little black button there. That will pull right out past that rear bumper, add some protection to that, and also extend that floor out, making it a little bit easier to transition that casket to and from the church truck. They equipped at the factory just a little more added protection to protect that rear bumper. And another kind of really cool feature that is almost exclusive to this model is this nameplate area. So you can see right now we just have a nice little bird here for you, but you can customize one of these cutouts with your funeral home name. So a great way to kind of customize that car for your services. But one of the key pieces with that Eagle Echelon is that vista skylight, as well as the side windows, which will allow a ton of natural lighting into the back of that coach on a sunny day. And once again, is a beautiful coach to use on any sort of military burial, because it gives you really nice visibility into the back of that coach to be able to see that flag draped casket in the back. So on the exterior of the load door, you'll notice the nice Cadillac logo right here, the emblem. What's great about that is that's your emergency unlock. So if your driver were to ever lock the keys in that driver compartment, you just push that button in, that will unlock your driver door and allow you access to get those keys and start the car back up again. And I did want to point out, just below this little Cadillac piece right here, you have your backup camera up there as well. So nice visibility, great to have on these larger vehicles, kind of eliminates that blind spot in the back and makes it much easier to maneuver in a tighter area. Now moving you over to the driver's side of this Eagle Echelon, we'll show you the full spare tire compartment. So you can see this spare tire compartment has the little kind of door here. So blocks off that spare tire, making it a nice clean look for you. But when you do need access to that, you have a full-size spare as well as a jack kit located off to your left side. So really nice, hidden away when it's not needed, but very easy to access if you ever do need to utilize that spare tire. And now bringing you into the driver compartment, you can see this XTS is equipped with some great options. You have the leather power seats, as well as backup camera, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, XM satellite radio, and Bluetooth capabilities. So you can sync in your phone, continue business while on the road, and be able to access maps very easily. So some great technology upgrades in these later model Cadillacs, which will be great for business. So if you'd like any further pricing or information on this beautiful coach, please feel free to give us a call at 1-800-229-5008 or visit us online at parksuperior.com.